This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 84 of Building the Robocop. In this issue, we're getting the arm attached, the second arm attached to the chest piece. We've got the new faces for heroes, actors who bring Robocop and his allies. Yeah, different people, obviously. Here we go. Who was it? Joel Kinnaman. Don't know him. Don't think he obviously did anything else or much else afterwards. So there we go. Right, the build itself, the right shoulder. We're getting the inner plate and the sleeve for the shoulder to attach in. Lots of little covers to go over the places and joints and things now. Then the rubber bit, and then that attaches to the shoulder block that we've got the other arm attached to. And then that all attaches to the chest plate, which has got the circuit board on it. So yeah, we're going to end up with a couple of arms attached to a shoulder. Good stuff. Understanding robots, learning to coexist. Yeah, we should always be nice to our AI robot overlords. Solar fuel. Is that just electricity and it makes it batteries or something? Maybe, don't know. I don't know. You can't bottle sunlight, can you? But there you go. Research plant where it produces 1 deciliter per day liquid hydrocarbon. Okay. So yes, you can bottle it. I was wrong. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this shoulder assembled. So here we go. I've got the rubber bit from there. We've got the arm that we've already built and all tightened up now. So onto that, we're going to attach this. So this goes onto there and just locks in place over the little blobs and has to be the right way up, which I happen to get it the wrong way up. So that's just got to pop over each of those 4 studs to hold that together. Cool, that's now not going anywhere. Then that will go over there. And that attaches in there with 4 screws, CM screws, like the ones that I just moved. So 4 of those, 1 left, that will be spare. That lined up. And locked in place. So I'll get the rest of those in. Then we've got these covers to go over the tops of the screws there. And then I shall come back and go to the next step. Right, there we go. That's that all covered up and the covers over as well. I've got these prepped to go over here. We've got one marked with a 1, which is going to go on the outer edge. I'm just going to ensure that the screws are sufficiently tight, because obviously once these are on, I'm not going to be able to get back to that. So this one will go over there. Again, getting the outer bits lined up with the shape piece on the inside. That one there, and this one on the inside. Much the same. Great, and the final part just goes on there. There's a big hole and a little hole. Get that the right way round. And that pops into there. There we go, another arm completed. So next up, we've got to pop that on there and then join it to this one. So exactly the same as the other one. It's just a single screw. Actually, let's get these arms straight. Then we can deal with it a bit better, can't we? So that's going to go on there like that with, what have we got here? A TP screw, which is one of those. And that will just go in there like the other one did. Try and get it in the right place. There we go. Not entirely certain why we have this in-out mechanism on the arms, but we have. So there we go. We've got two arms now attached to each other like that. Then we've just got to attach that using 4 EP screws to our center plate. So we've got the 4 EP screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One spare as ever. One prepped. So we've got 4 screw holes there. And 4 of those. These are going to go on the outside of the connection. And can't see exactly where that's going to go. Let's try that again. Let's get these out. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Just through there. Oh, these are long posts. Okay. So it's gone on there. Like that. There we go. That's locked in place. I'm going to need the longer screwdriver to get down that tube. Just a bit like that. Get the other one in over there. That's not going in there. Why is that not going in there? Oh, because that one's not so deep. And there we have it. No, there we don't. Why is that not lining up? Pretty sure it is. Felt like it was going in a screw hole, but apparently it wasn't. There we go, that's in there now. One more of those to go down the other long side. And then the final one over this side as well. So some more tightening to do once I've finished off camera. And I need to get that screw in as well. We'll worry about that in a minute. But there we go. Oh, he's starting to come together. He's starting to look like Robocop now. Really is. I'm liking it. Yeah, there's obviously the outer armour that's these sort of must locate into somehow. But yeah, look at that. He's looking good, isn't he? We've got movement and rotational movement. However, we need him to pose. So there we go. That's it. Another one done. Next time, I think we're doing something else with the neck. I know we're starting on the neck by the end of the episode, but I don't know about next time. We've got 2 more issues to go before this delivery is finished. So we'll find out. But thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.